Ever wondered about the Spirit Airlines terminals at LaGuardia Airport? Well, you're about to find out. First things first, Spirit Airlines operates from Terminal B at LaGuardia Airport. This is where you'll find the Spirit Airlines departure and arrival gates, as well as the support counter. Need assistance with your tickets, baggage, or general inquiries? The friendly staff at the support counter are there to help. Now let's talk about baggage claim. After a long flight, you'll want to collect your bags and get on with your journey as soon as possible. For Spirit Airlines passengers, the baggage claim area is conveniently located at the lower level of Terminal B. Security is paramount at LaGuardia Airport. The security checkpoint for Spirit Airlines is situated near the ticketing area in Terminal B. Be sure to have your boarding pass and identification ready to ensure a smooth process. Spirit Airlines passengers can enjoy a relaxing pre-flight experience at the Spirit Lounge. It's the perfect place to unwind, grab a bite, or catch up on work before your flight. As for the flights, Spirit Airlines operates numerous flights from LaGuardia Airport to various destinations. The earliest flight typically departs around 6 in the morning, while the last flight takes off close to midnight. This means you have plenty of options to choose from, whether you're an early bird or a night owl. Spirit Airlines is known for its budget-friendly fares. While prices can vary based on factors such as time of booking and season, you can often find great deals with Spirit. For the best fares, consider booking your flight well in advance and being flexible with your travel dates. In summary, Spirit Airlines operates from Terminal B at LaGuardia Airport, where you'll find the departure and arrival gates, support counter, and baggage claim. The Spirit Lounge offers a comfortable space to relax before your flight, and there are numerous flights to choose from throughout the day. Remember to check in early and have your documents ready for the security checkpoint. For further assistance, feel free to contact Spirit Airlines at the number highlighted on your screen. Safe travels and enjoy your flight with Spirit Airlines.